Understanding at a royal pace in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating English phrase, at a royal pace. This phrase is not just about speed. It's wrapped in cultural and historical contexts. Let's dive into its meaning and usage, so you can enrich your English vocabulary and understanding. At a royal pace refers to moving slowly and majestically, similar to how we might imagine royalty or kings and queens moving. It's a phrase rich in imagery, suggesting a dignified, unhurried movement. This expression is often used metaphorically to describe any slow, deliberate progress in various contexts. The phrase has roots in historical perceptions of royalty. Kings and queens were seen as figures of grandeur and majesty, often portrayed as moving with deliberate grace. This movement was not just physical but also symbolic, representing the care and consideration befitting a ruler. Understanding this background helps in appreciating the full flavor of the phrase. In modern English, at a royal pace is used in various situations. For example, describing slow progress, the construction work is moving at a royal pace. Ironically, to imply frustration, my internet is loading at a royal pace today. In literary contexts, authors might use it to set a scene or describe a character's movement. It's important to note the tone and context when using this phrase. It can be respectful, ironic, or critical depending on how it's said and in what situation. Being aware of these nuances is crucial in effective communication. I hope this video has shed light on the phrase, at a royal pace. It's a beautiful expression that adds depth and color to our language. Remember, learning English is not just about words, but the stories and history they carry. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.